Welcome back, everyone. Today we're continuing to work on our Challenger. Now that we've got everything stripped down, we've assessed the damages. We've gotten the parts in, the majority of them. The only thing we're missing right now is the bumper, but we got enough to continue working on this. So what we are going to do is today we are going to strip the whole interior. We're going to get out the front window, the back windshield out, get it ready to replace the roof skin. We're going to take the headliner out, the seats. On top of that, all that water that we had in the trunk, we don't know if we had more water inside the interior. So we're just going to completely strip it, carpet everything down to the metal. That way if there was any water, we can dry everything out. And then also that by taking everything out, it'll protect it from when we're replacing the skin and working on the car. So let's get to taking this further apart. That way we can get closer to getting it on the frame machine and getting those damaged body parts replaced. So some of the parts that we got here is we got the hood, we got the frame for the bumper, lower radiator support, upper support, the rebar, got two new fenders, and then we got the roof skin, which surprisingly is very floppy, but it gets its rigidity from the frame, which it looks like hopefully it's not damaged under there, it's just the skin. So that's what we got, and we're going to start working on it. Alright, let's get this carpet out of here. See if we have how much water there was actually in there. Oh, got a pack of cigarettes. Lighter. Yeah, definitely some water came spraying out of there. Oh, that's all mold right there, so there was definitely water standing here for a while. Well, good thing we went this route. That way we can get all this out and dry. Oh, yeah. Yep, definitely glad that we went this route. Now we can get this whole carpet out and get all this dried out so we don't have mold and other things deteriorating, like all the electrical and everything else like that. Yeah, definitely a lot more water than what we expected. Wow, that's got a lot of standing water. That's probably like, that's almost an inch of water just standing there, and you got that main cable running from the front of the engine to the back of the battery. Oh yeah, now that we got this carpet pulled out of here, I can really start smelling the mold. Before, the carpet was, I guess, kind of making it not smell as bad. Yeah. Alright, definitely glad we got that out. That way we can fix that the correct way so there's no issues after everything's done and complete. Yep. And also you can see the water, just that foam right there that they use for sound dampening, and so there's less noise in the cabin. That just soaked up all the water. So that's going to have to go outside probably for at least a week before all that water evaporates and the carpet completely dries out. So, alright, well, but making progress. Interesting that there's only 3 cross members for the whole frame of the roof, and then it's just that floppy skin on there. Alright, well, that's how they made it from the factory. That's how we'll make it after the repairs. Alright, well, we got the Challenger all stripped down. We got everything ready. We got it up on the frame right now. Just sitting there. But this is going to be the end of our video for this part. Make sure you stay tuned to the next videos. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like them. Comment on there. If you have any advice or anything else like that, help us out. But otherwise, make sure you stay tuned to catch the next video. We're going to start putting it on the clamps and start pulling the frame and that part of it repaired. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.